Hi, this is homework for 11/24 Monday night, and this is the same as you did. Let's see now, you didn't have homework on Friday, so last Thursday we're solving inequalities, and we're doing the same thing where we use the opposite operations to get the x by itself, and then we have to graph it on a number line. So copy down 15x is greater than or equal to 45, and copy the number line. Okay, now I want you to pause the video, and I don't want you to start it again until you're done. Okay, in order to get the x by itself, since this is multiplication, I have to divide by 15 on both sides. And over here, 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times x is x. I drop down the inequality sign, greater than or equal to. And 45 divided by 15 is 3. This number goes right here, and I need one more and one less. I'm going to go 3.5, and I'm going to go 2. Now I could have also gone 3, 4, and 3, 2, and actually this should be 2.5. But I just wanted to show you that as long as you count by something consistent, your number line's fine. So I counted by 2.5, 2.5, 3, and then 3.5. Okay. When the open part is facing the variable, it reads greater than, and it's greater than or equal to. So the numbers greater than or equal to 3 are to the right. Copy down 3/4 x is less than or equal to 20. Copy down your number line. And now pause the video and don't turn it back on until you're done. Okay, whenever I have a fraction that's being multiplied by a variable, the quickest way to get rid of it is to multiply by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. And 3 times 4 is 12, so this is really all equal to 1, and 1 times x is x. Bring your sign down. I have to multiply by 4 over here. Whoops, 4/3. Okay, I'm going to put a 1 under here, so I can do top times top. 20 times 4 is 80. And bottom times bottom, 1 times 3 is 3. Now I have to divide. Let's see here. 3 goes into 80, 26 times. Let's see, 26 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 3 is 6, 78. Yeah, it'll go in 26 times. Oopsie, sorry. And then there will be 2 left out of 3, so my answer is 26 2/3. Now this is less than or equal to 26 3/3. So 26 2/3 goes here. Then 27 goes here, and 26 1/3 goes here. I'm counting by 1/3 on my number line. So 26 1/3, 2/3, 26 3/3 is really the same as 27. Okay, and then the numbers that are less than or equal to are facing to the left. Okay, here we go again. Copy the problem down. Don't turn the video back on until you're all done. So 2/3 x is greater than 18. Okay, again I have to multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. Okay, any fraction times its reciprocal is 1, and 1 times x is x. I'm going to put a 1 under here. Let's see. Okay, 3 times 18. 3 times 20 would be 60. What would that be? 54, I hope. I don't have my calculator with me. And 2. And then if I divide 54 by 2, I believe that's 27. I just need to do 18 times 3 off to the side. I'm not positive. 3 times 8 is 24. Yeah, I was right. It's 54. All right, so we have 27 right here. Whoops. and then we have one more 28 and one less 26, and this is the numbers that are greater than 27. I don't fill in my circle because there's no equal to line under there. Okay, this one's a two-step problem, but that's okay because you know what two steps to do to get this x by itself. So again, copy down 6x plus 2 is greater than 14, and don't turn the video back on until you're done. Alright, my first thing I have to do is get rid of the 2 on both sides, and that's going to give me 6x is greater than 12. Now I divide by 6 and I divide by 6, x is greater than 6. Okay, so 6, 7, and 5 on my number line. The numbers that are greater than, because the open part is facing the variable, are to the left. Okay, this one actually involves distributing, so don't forget to distribute before you do anything, and then it's a two-step problem. So copy down 3 times the quantity x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 12. 3 times the quantity x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 12. Copy your number line and then shut the video off until you're done with the problem. Alright, here we go. First thing I need to do is distribute. That means to multiply. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. I bring the sign down and I bring that answer down. Now I have to get rid of everything that's with the variable, but I start with the 6 first. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. That's going to give me, this cancels, 3x is greater than or equal to 12 take away 6 is 6. Now to get the variable by itself, the opposite of multiplication is division. So divide, x is greater than or equal to 2. 2, 1, 3. The numbers that are greater than or equal to 2 are to the left. Last one, copy it down. 5 times the quantity x minus 3 is less than 20. 5 times the quantity x minus 3 is less than 20. Okay, turn the video off and don't turn it back on until you're done. First thing I have to do is distribute. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Okay, the first thing I have to get rid of is the negative 15. Always get rid of addition and subtraction first. Over here, that's going to give me 35. Bring your sign down, and over here, 5x. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X is less than 7. 6, 7, 8. When the little pointy part faces the variable, it's less than. The numbers that are less than 7 are to the left. I do not fill the circle in because there was no line underneath my inequality sign here. It's just the inequality less than. Okay, now don't forget to number your problem. So this was problem 6, I believe, and 5, and 4, and this should have been 3, and 2, and 1. And then don't forget you need a date on your paper. And don't forget this goes in your unit activity folder towards the back so that we can check it for homework. Okay, all done.